look deeper into why trusting the polls might be a risky gamble for Harris. Heading into the 2016 election, almost every major poll pointed to a Hillary Clinton victory. Forecasts gave her a 70% to 99% chance in key states like Pennsylvania, Wisconsin, and Michigan. However, election night revealed However, this isn't just about national numbers. The true test comes down to the swing states, the battlegrounds where Harris and Trump seem to be neck and neck. However, Trump has slight leads in three crucial battlegrounds: Arizona, Georgia. This happens when certain voters, in this case, Trump supporters, didn't respond to polls. These voters, often less educated and more anti-establishment, were largely missed by pollsters.